How's it going, guys? Been a long time since I've uploaded a video. I made a bunch of video, never uploaded it because it was just kind of boring. So working on the S10 again, and what I'm doing today is I am changing the angle of the rear pinion, because as you can see, it's like straight on with that rear drive shaft, which is no good. So I had to go to TMR Customs. That place sucks. I had to get new shims. I have 6-degree shims in here, and it did have that at the right angle, but then I changed these shackles in the rear, and that completely changed it. So I went and picked up some new ones, and these are 2-degree shims. So as you can see, those are a lot less of a angle than the last one, so those will bring the rear pinion down and give me a better angle, because you don't want it straight like that. So that's what I'm working on. I've got this sweet handy dandy Go Mediocre mount, but my Go Mediocre is dead because I haven't used it in forever. Yeah, so I've got to do that. Another thing I have to do, but I'm not gonna be able to do it today because I can't borrow Jeff's welder because he's using it. Understandable, it's his fucking welder. Is I've still got to do that front drive shaft, so I got to redo that cross member. See if I can get under here and show you. No way you can see that. There's the front output shaft from the transfer case. This cross member is right in the way. I've got to cut it here, and then unbolt this side and make it drop like this over the frame. I can't do that without a welder though, can I? So for today, I'm gonna work on that rear axle. And I had to order a new alternator because mine is fucked. I'll be driving around with no lights or anything for the 3 to 5 business days it takes the fucking thing to come in. So yeah, anyways, I keep working. Okay, here's an update. I fucking snapped one of the leaf springs. It's got a crack. It goes from there right through the bolt hole, and then you can see where it comes out right there. What a fucking piss off. And you know what? The dowel pin on the other side, it's too short. So now I looked around, I don't have any bolts that are the right length and the right width. Oh shit. That's not good. One sec. Alright, I didn't realize all the fucking weight of the rear end was pulling on the rear flex line for the brake fluid. That could have been bad. Actually, it's probably already fucking ruined because it sat like that for like 20 minutes. In the kitchen getting a beer. Cause I'm all... Fuck, obviously I'm not getting that one. You back in there for later. Fuck. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'd have to take that dowel out, weld another chunk of a bolt onto it or something. Let's see, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. As you can see, that's how much is sticking out. And actually, ooh, hey, wait a sec. Hey, hang on. Oh, yeah. No, it might stick up a little bit, but as you can see, the threads are fucked. So I'm gonna have to cut it, weld something onto it, put it back through. I'll keep you updated. All right, here's the plan after I have a sip of my beer. I'm going to, this is the dowel pin. I have to have this head because it perfectly fits in the actual perch on the axle. And I only need, say, an extra ½ inch from this point. So I'm gonna cut back to about here, and then I'm going to weld. I will cut this here, and I will weld this piece onto this piece. That's the plan. Let's hope it works. Otherwise, looks like I'm waiting for somebody to get home and drive me all the way to Markham, and that would suck. Alright, that took all of 5 minutes. This is the dowel. There's my finger. This is the dowel. Cut it, welded that bitch on, and yeah, I just kind of like made this almost into a point, and then this one side on top, and I just kind of filled it in. And I'll just have to probably grind off a little bit, and it'll be, well, in my eyes, it'll be good to go. And that's all that matters to me. Alright, and it's fucking done. Works good. Now I'll have to probably trim off a cunt hair there because the plate that the U-bolts come through goes like this. It's got a whoop-de-doo in it. But this probably sticks up a little too high, so I might have to just take the top off. So you can see that's what I'm talking about there. Actually, we can see right now if it's gonna have to be cut. Yeah, just to see here. Right on. We're getting. All right. You know, considering all the headache that was, it was only a 1 beer job because I didn't start drinking until I put everything back together. U-bolts are all back in, they're torqued down, both sides, shocks are back on. I'm just gonna double check the torque on these bolts because I haven't checked these in like a month and a half, and they're wheel spacers and they are dangerous when they fall off, so I'm gonna do that. And then after that, that should be good. I'm hoping that broken leaf spring doesn't give me any problems, and if it does, it'll have to wait till payday because I don't have any money right now to go and buy a new fucking leaf spring. Cool.